Come in.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So this is our Airbnb for 2 nights. It's called Eshae Living. Guys, look at this amazing kitchen. Like, everything is just clean, sweet and strong. We have access to like the drawers. Let me see what's in the drawers. Nothing. So today is our first night, and let me see. We have cups and plates and necessary things that we need. Microwave right there, and we have a fridge. Let me see if there's anything in the fridge. Nothing's in the fridge, just an empty fridge. We have our stove right here that we can use to cook or toast over or blender. Like, legit, you need all these things when you're staying. So when you want to cook, you just cook what you want. We have our cooking utensils, spoons, forks, knives, and the whole works. And I don't think there's anything else in the drawers. But I love the ambience and the vibe that it's giving in here. Let me just see if we can open the closet. Can we open the closet? I think we can. Oh, we can't open it. I'll leave it right there. But guys, like, I love the bar setting vibe. We can come and eat our breakfast here, or if we don't want to dine right here, we can dine right here. You know what I mean? Like, how amazing this is. We get water, sugar, and all sorts. And we have a television right there. Okay? And I love this couch. Look comfy and nice. Just sit back, relax after a long day, and just watch telly, the news, or whatever you want to watch. So we have our center table right there, or whatever you call it, and then 2 sides table couch. Emancipate yourselves from mental slavery. None but ourselves can free our mind. That is true. That is absolutely true. So guys, welcome to our bathroom. Ooh, that feels good. So we have a wonderful bathroom, clean, nice bathroom. It's a standing shower and all, and we have our towels and our rags right here, hand wash and stuff. Let me see what's in here. Nothing. Okay. And we have our soaps right here. Okay. So now we move to our bedroom for the night. Okay. Nice soft bed, and we also have a television in this room. Okay. There's a television in the room. Okay. So you know what time it is. Come look at the view. We're overlooking the sea. Sea view. Okay? Sea view. Okay? We're overlooking the Ochi of Ochi Rios. Also, what comes with the Airbnb, we get access to Turtle Tower Beach, which is right over there, which is amazing. So it's free access. It comes along with the Airbnb. We paid around, I'll quote the price in the description because it ain't clicking in my mind. But this is the closet that we get with the Airbnb. So we have an iron and stuff over there, and an iron board, which is nice. You need those necessary things when you're booking your stay. So yeah. And what else did we show them? What else did we show them? The fun that we're having. Anyway, guys, this is just the tour. Oh, we didn't go outside. We're just showing them outside. We also have fans, more than one fans. Let's show you outside. So yeah, we're still overlooking the sea, and we can sit and chill in the chat and have our dinner right here, looking at the sea. Oh my god. I really like this Airbnb. It's really nice, and the decor that they did right here, it's a really nice addition to the whole the whole vibe of the Airbnb. It's really nice. And then over there you have like the stores. It's next door, like stores if you want to buy like food or drinks or anything. You just go across from the Airbnb, which is nice and lovely. Come back inside now. Anyway guys, I hope you have enjoyed our little tour of this Airbnb, Eshae Living. I really like that name, Eshae Living. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos. This is just a 2-night stand for us because we have more places to go. Anyway guys, bye, see you later. Did you